due to the heavy rains brought by Super Typhoon Karina. The JRM Tracy Outreach organized a program to help those nearby communities who are affected by the severe flood. We got rice and groceries and also school supplies for the kids to support them. We also have to feed them with some sopas.
Hello, Mayor!
The challenge is we need to carry the packages because the actual location of the distribution is quite far from the access road.
Tignan mo nga yun. Atin ba ito o pa kami? Kaya kain nila doon. Kaya pa.
We want to let these people know that there is hope. There are someone who cares, and Jesus cares.
Na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon.